Okay, got some cats around here, so hopefully they don't cause any issues with the recording. So here's our video for week 14. There's a little less than 3 weeks left in the semester. So we've got this week, the next week, and then the week after that only goes through Friday. So just like a little less than three. Here's what you need to know. Logic Gates and Computer Number Project is due Monday at noon. It's worth 8% of your grade, so make sure you turn it in. I'll link to the playlist that goes through the problems for that at the end of this video again. It's also in your email. And then Monday at noon, the first two sections from Algebra are due. That's 6.1 and 6.2. It's things like evaluating expressions given a value, formulas, simplifying by combining like terms, using the distributive property, and then solving equations and ratios. And then also for Monday, you need to do that last message board, the first post on the last message board, the Pugliese four-step. Bella, don't eat that, please. Yeah, don't shred that. That's notes for my students. Bella. Sorry. Last message board, Pugliese four-step examples. And then some important dates. Monday, December 14th at noon is the latest you can turn in anything that's late. If you are planning to do all that stuff that you didn't do for the semester, it's time. Okay, 2 weeks from when I record this video is when that's due, December 14th at noon. After that, I will not take anything late. And then also, that last week ends on Friday. So if you're used to doing stuff over the weekend, be aware that for the last week, it ends on December 18th, not Monday, December 21st. So December 18th, the algebra test and practice test are due. Those are the only things due that last week, but they're due on Friday. Okay, speaking of algebra, if you have been struggling through this class or you've been like, wow, I'm learning so much weird different stuff, and we hit algebra and you're like, oh my gosh, I know how to do this, I suggest you just blow through the algebra unit. Do all the homework, do the practice test, do the test, get it done. Okay, so you will have very little left if you can just blow through the algebra stuff and you turned in your computer gates and numbers project. So if you're basically caught up and algebra is review for you, blow through all of it, get done early. You have my permission. Okay, you don't need to wait until the week. It's just do it. Okay, just work through this stuff. Once I've got everything, I'm going to try to work to be grading people out, or at least letting you know where you end up in the course if you finish everything. And then, I don't know, keep going. Do remember, for those of you that are going to work ahead and do everything and be done, there's a class eval posted in Blackboard. I really like that feedback, good or bad, however you felt about the course. Please post that to Blackboard. Also, if you have any notes for me specifically about the course, about my teaching style, things you liked or didn't like, and you want a little back and forth, or to let me know that you're the one saying it, please feel free to do that as well. But those course evals are important. My dean looks at those, my boss looks at those to see how I'm doing. So remember to do those too. Okay, I've rambled at you enough. Go do your math stuff, and I will hopefully talk to you soon. Thanks.